Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to watch Disney Plus in 4K. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. This works both the same on mobile phones and on PC, so you do not have to worry what kind of platform you are on. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is either go to the Disney app or go to disneyplus.com and log into your account, or create a new account if you do not already have one. After doing that guys, and you have logged into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the movies and TV shows that you can watch. So guys, if you do not have the option to play the movies or TV shows in 4K, then you will do the following. First thing you want to do guys is go right here up to your profile and you want to put your mouse right here in the upper right corner, and this will open up these options. You want to find this option called App Settings. You want to go ahead guys and click on App Settings, and this will bring you to the main page. This new page has opened, and now guys, you can see we have the option to select what kind of quality we want in our videos. If you have selected Save Data or Moderate but want to play 4K, then you have to select this option right here, which is called Automatic, and it will play in the possible highest quality if you have the internet fast enough to support it. So yeah guys, select this right here, click on Save, and now go find some show that you want to watch, and if your internet is fast enough, the show, if available in 4K, will play in that resolution. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.